If you guys are holding XRP or cryptocurrencies, the market is about to go absolutely insane. We are about to enter into the banana zone. This is when things get absolutely crazy for altcoins such as XRP. We have so much to talk about in this video. I've never been so bullish in my entire life. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and stick around to the end of this video. This is just incredible, ladies and gentlemen. The NASDAQ, this is the stock market, has already recovered the entire dip from all the tariff FUD. I don't think you understand how bullish this is for cryptos. The S&P 500, the same exact thing. We've literally recovered the entire dump in just a matter of a couple of days. That was crazy. But guess what? It was a massive shakeout. To see how fast we recovered, guys, it was just a massive manipulation and shakeout. And I hope you guys did not get shaken out. XRP is at key resistance right now. And XRP, in my opinion, I think we're going to continue pumping this weekend. XRP is going to reach $3.70 very, very soon. Ethereum above $4,000, ladies and gentlemen. I don't think you understand the importance of Ethereum, which I believe is headed to $6,900 very, very soon. Ethereum is the strength of the altcoin market. And back in 2021, when we had an actual altcoin season, Ethereum was pumping and leading the altcoin and crypto market. And when Ethereum was breaking out against Bitcoin, which we can see by the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart, we could see very clearly that we have reached a bottom. We bounced literally off this bottom here. But if we zoom in here, ladies and gentlemen, we could see Ethereum BTC is now fully breaking out. We've broken out of this resistance and we are now trending up violently. In addition to that, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. But look at this. Bitcoin dominance is now nuking. We have rejected here at this key level and we are now losing support. This was the level I said Bitcoin dominance was going to come to. And now look at what has happened. Bitcoin dominance is going to be heading to this level, 54%. When this happens, ladies and gentlemen, and if you take a look here, this is 2021, when Bitcoin dominance was nuking, it started nuking around the same time in 2021, and it nuked all the way for quite some time. But when it starts to nuke like this and violently dump, altcoins go absolutely bananas. And we enter into a phase of the bull market called the banana zone. The banana zone is when things are pumping 20, 30, 50% just randomly every day. And altcoins are going to be doing that, in my opinion. This is not financial advice. This is just my own opinion. Taking a look at a whole bunch of other altcoins, look at this. Dogecoin formed a higher low, is breaking out of this. This is also a very important thing to pay attention to, Dogecoin. Bitcoin is holding very, very strong, has had a strong recovery. It is being outperformed by altcoins. But if Bitcoin starts to push up here, ladies and gentlemen, and altcoins are pushing up at the same time, it's going to be absolutely crazy. It's going to be really crazy if Bitcoin starts to break out here. We have this key resistance and Bitcoin is right here, just 1% away, and we could be breaking out. And if we start to really push up higher here, altcoins are going to go absolutely bananas. Guys, look at my Ethereum trade over on Blofin. That's Bitcoin's up 15,000. This particular Ethereum trade is up $44,000. You guys can follow my trades just like this by joining my private community right now on the WAP. And if you guys are going to be trading cryptos, make sure you trade on Blofin. This is where you guys can long and short cryptos like this, where I make 6 figures a month, every single month, trading just futures alone. That's not even my spot trading. I'm a 7-figure trader, so you guys can follow my trades by joining the WAP. This is absolutely incredible, ladies and gentlemen. If we take a look at ALGOSNIPER, on the 4-hour for Bitcoin, Bitcoin has a buy alert. We are above the 200 EMA. The bands are green. Everything is intact. Everything is very bullish. Look at how far. I mean, you guys got a buy alert here on Ethereum at 3,400. You guys can try ALGOSNIPER today for just $1 at algosniper.com. But the market looks so strong, it's not even funny. With the stock market pushing this violently, cryptos are pushing up this violently. Ethereum is pushing up. Solana is starting to push up. XRP is pushing up with that incredible breaking news we had yesterday. It's going to be crazy. Eric Trump came out and said last weekend at the very bottom to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum, and it's up massively. And that does, fall in line with XRP and other cryptos. But look at this. He said, stop betting against Bitcoin and Ethereum. You will be run over. This guy literally has the most inside knowledge and information on the planet regarding cryptos. And he's telling you guys what is about to happen. Do you not see the clear picture? Trump is about to pump cryptos beyond your greatest comprehension, beyond your greatest imagination. Your mind won't even be able to process how bullish the market truly is. Not just for Bitcoin and Ethereum, but for XRP and other cryptos. It's going to be absolutely insane. So we're going to continue to monitor XRP, guys. XRP is looking incredibly bullish. We even have a green diamond. This is a massive bullish confirmation signal for XRP. We are going to probably see very quickly XRP, right now it's not really doing much. Yesterday it pumped, 10%, but we have just bounced from this massive pullback, correction, whatever you want to call it. But guess what? It's going to start pumping again. And when it starts pumping, it doesn't stop. It doesn't stop. It's going to be crazy. Like, look at this pump here. XRP ran all the way from $1.90 where we bought in my private community. And guess what? It ran all the way up here. We are about to see another leg up here. It's going to be crazy. So make sure you guys are in my private community. Try ALGOSNIPER. Make sure you guys are trading on Blowfin. All these things are here to help you guys make money in crypto. Well, that's going to be it for this video. So if you guys got something out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing with notifications on. I'll see you later.